At the moment I'm working on my graphic novel, World of Whatif, Horus Hippo Returns, and on this page I'm working on Yggdrasil, and especially this dragon, Nidhoggr, and I wanted to have it in a more of an engraving style. I've made a brush set which is called the Stayf Engrave Brushset, and it's available on my Gumroad. In this video I'm just going to show you how I use these brushes. At the moment I'm working on a graphic novel which is called World of Whatif, Horus Hippo Returns. In the story I'm also drawing Yggdrasil, which is the tree of the Vikings up north, and I was drawing this dragon. The dragon is called Nidhoggr, and I wanted more graphic style for this part of the story. So I inked everything with the free brush, and that's still available on my Gumroad, and it's also in the Stayf comic inks, and that's the Stayf Walt Kelly ink. So the main part I inked with the Stayf Walt Kelly ink, but for the more graphic etching style I used another brush set that's also available on my Gumroad, and that is called the Stayf Engrave Brushset, and there you find a lot of different engraving tools to master this style. And I used the Stayf Thin 3 to make this happen, and I'm just gonna show you what this brush does. And it has 3 lines, and with that you can also use the arc or just draw it freehand. And you can create some interesting techniques with it. You can also use it small, and I used it in another comic. I had a lot of different videos about working on Quap and the Frigidaire, and I also used this brush to create some interesting structures in stones. But now I used it for the dragon, and I also used the same brush as an eraser. And then it looks a little bit more like etching, because etching is the other way around. So this brush set, the Stayf Engrave, has a lot of different brushes in it, and it's available on my Gumroad, and I'll leave a link below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!